So here we are at Bluewater on the beach, and we're just about to do a runaway train here with Jackson and Naomi chasing coasters. Give you a little POV as we go through.
What's that one?
Fantastic. Got some fantastic rides here, a little carousel, little cars,
Ready, yeah.
and a little balloon ride. So here we go on runaway train. Jackson. Oh, on the runaway mine train. That's lovely and smooth. Expecting a little bit more jerky. Hands in the air, Jackson. No. You can squish mummy on there. Let's see. Put your hands in the air.
All the way around.
All the way around.
All the way around.
All the way around. Oh, this is good, isn't it? Get quite a lot of laps.
That's way too much perfume.
That's good. Nice little roll back now.
Ready?
Roll back, roll back, roll back. That was really nice, wasn't it? Do you enjoy that one, Jackson? Yeah. You've got little spinning cups and then little cars. Whoa, looks like a little fun face called Fun House, called Rainforest. Might have a go through in there in a minute. Oh, look, who's that, Jackson? Is that David? Little Mario Racer slide. Some waltzers. We're just going to have a look round. Not in a moment. Some waltzers as well. A little fun and games. Yeah, they've got some good little rides here. They've got a lovely beach area. And we're going to go... Oh, there's toilets as well. Hey, look at that. We're not going on that one at the moment. Then... Yeah. Got one of these here. Oh, look at the light. Oh, that'd be good at night time. Aeronauts. Little cars. Oh, look at that Miami Court. That looks quite intense, that one. Right, that one. I don't think you're quite tall enough. So you've got some little teacups. Looks like they can have some boats or something in those ones. Oh, it's a little paddling pool area. There you go, no limits. Might give that a go. Oh, Yeti ride. The Yeti ride. That looks good. Little frog jump. See if Jackson's tall enough to go on that. Yeah, it looks quite good. It goes backwards as well. Not done one. Little bounce area. And some dodgems. So over here they've got a little sizzler. And little swing chairs. Oh, here we go, the family coaster. The Crazy Clown. We're going to give this a go. The entrance is over here. Touched it. Had to be done. Oh, get some lovely views up here. You can see the seagulls. You're with the seagulls. So the Crazy Clown, here we come. Oh. Going down. Some lovely views up there. Oh! Yay! Seb can touch it again this time. Bounce out there to Andy on the Crazy Clown coaster. Fantastic guy, honestly. get down here and have a go on some of these coasters. Great fun. We're going to see if Jackson's tall enough to go on the Sizzler.
No hands. I'll try not to switch it. I might have to hold on later. Hold on till they switch.
Oh, you're squishing me already. This is called the Winter Spinner. 3, 2, 1, okay. It's alright, make sure it's alright. Speed all the way around. I don't think we recorded after that.
Oh. You like that?
You
like it?
Was that fun, Jackson?
I want to go again!
I don't know how much I caught of that, but that was awesome. It's nice because it didn't just go one speed all the way around.
Dizzy.
Slow down, speed up, slow down. Loved it. Fantastic. So plenty of sanitizer here. Here we go into the jungle. Probably have to talk all the way through this because of copyright stuff. Wow, it's like a little mirror maze, isn't it? Warning, do not run, walk. Oh! About step sideways as you go through. Hey, no, do you want to take the camera so I can go through? That's a bit dodgy with that coming out. Oh, no, Jackson didn't do it. You come through here. Oh. It's alright. Is that fun? Do it again. There you go, get 2 goes.
He's holding on now. He's holding on, it must be fast now.
Push your safety bars up to exit the ride.
You do? I think David feels a bit sick now.
So I've just been on this aeronaut. What a ride, that pulse and G's on your face. Never done anything like that before. So we're going to get Jackson on a ride. And we're going to see what we can get him on. Up in the sky. No, because you've broken it. No, you've broken it.
Oh,
The pink one's up.
no, the pink one's going up now.
The pink one's higher than you.
No, the pink one's going up now. Your pink one's going up now. It's changing colour.
Don't climb out. On the little frog bounce, but I'm going to give this a little go. Little claw. Looks quite good fun. There we go. Yeah, so most of the rides here, the little rides, are 2 tokens, aren't they? What was that? There we go. 2 tokens, the little rides here. The coasters, 2 tokens each, wasn't it? Yes, and the mighty balloons I've been told of. There we go. Keep on saying there we go in the mighty balloons. No, so most of the rides are 2 tokens each. The more extreme rides like the Waltzer and the other things were 3 tokens. The little bouncy stuff were 4. But yeah, it's got toilets here as well. It says there's no toilets on the way here, but it did. So yeah, we've had a great day here at Bluewater. Done some Christmas shopping, haven't we? sent Naomi down the zip line. You enjoyed that, didn't you?
Brilliant.
So hopefully I'll get some footage of that for you. So if you've enjoyed this video, I'll ask Jackson as it goes past. Jackson, if you like this video, give it a
Thumbs up.
and
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Yeah.